Make a pop-up card. Materials needed are scissors, tape, pencil, paper, ruler, and markers. Fold your paper in half. On the folded edge, draw half of a shape. Cut out the shape. Use your ruler to mark a rectangle on the scrap paper. Cut it out. Fold the strip back and forth. Fold it, flip it, fold it, flip it, fold it, flip it, like an accordion. Tape the strip to the middle of the shape. You're just taping one end of the strip of paper to the middle of the heart shape. Fold a new piece of paper in half. This will be your card. Tape the other end of the accordion strip inside your card. Fold the paper down and close it. Decorate your card. Give it to someone you love.